Gold is on fire again. Prices are climbing. Investors are anxious. And the world is watching closely. Something big is happening behind this golden surge.
From Wall Street to Dubai, everyone's asking the same question. What's really pushing gold higher? And how could shifting world politics and global uncertainty shape what happens next?
The gold rush of 2025 isn't just about the metal itself. It's a signal of global tension, shifting power, and financial fear. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover what's really driving this surge and what it means for the world economy.
Eighth gold is not just a precious metal anymore. It's a financial lifeline. Investors turn to gold when uncertainty rises, seeking a safe haven for their wealth.
Several forces are driving gold higher. A weakening dollar, inflation fears, and growing geopolitical tension are all pushing investors toward this timeless safe haven.
Numerous central banks around the world are buying gold at record levels, adding it to their reserves as a shield against economic uncertainty and currency fluctuations.
Investors around the globe are flocking to gold, treating it as a safe haven when stock markets wobble and economic predictions turn uncertain.
And tired. Rising inflation and a weakening dollar are adding fuel to gold's rally, making it an attractive hedge against financial instability and currency risks.
Geopolitical tensions and global uncertainty are keeping investors on edge, and gold remains the go-to asset when other markets feel risky.
Rising inflation and weakening currencies are key factors driving gold demand as investors look to protect their wealth from diminishing purchasing power.
In recent months, gold has outperformed many major assets, with prices climbing steadily as investors react to market volatility and economic signals.
Market uncertainty is pushing investors worldwide toward gold, as fear and caution drive buying behavior in times of economic instability.
Low interest rates and accommodative central bank policies are making gold more attractive, as traditional savings yield less and riskier assets remain volatile.
Looking forward, gold is likely to maintain its appeal. With global uncertainty persisting, savvy investors continue to consider it a safe and strategic addition to their portfolios.
Growing children for Nalawa Fund, countries like China, India, and Russia are adding gold to their reserves, reinforcing stability and hedging against global market fluctuations.
Here, investor sentiment is a major factor. When fear rises, people buy gold, not just for profit, but for the security it provides against market turbulence.
Gold prices have surged in recent weeks, reacting to economic reports and market volatility, as investors scramble to secure assets that hold value.
Political developments in the U.S. can sway gold prices. Investors are closely watching key statements and policy hints, as any news could impact global markets. The Automaster News hotel this V were not getting gold home.
Investors are analyzing interest rate changes, trade policies, and economic indicators. Every signal from U.S. politics can shift gold demand in global markets.
In dollars, looking ahead, gold is expected to remain a preferred asset as uncertainty persists. Investors anticipate fluctuations, but the precious metal continues to act as a hedge against market instability.
Global economic uncertainty, including trade tensions, energy price fluctuations, and emerging market risks, is pushing investors to gold as a stable store of value.
From inflation and interest rates to global uncertainty and policy developments, multiple factors are converging to keep gold in high demand among investors worldwide.
Gold has historically served as a safe haven during times of crisis. Investors rely on it to preserve wealth, protect against currency depreciation, and hedge long-term risks.
For investors, gold offers stability, security, and a hedge against uncertainty. Whether in volatile markets or during geopolitical tension, it remains a trusted store of value.
Looking forward, gold is likely to maintain its appeal. With global uncertainty persisting, savvy investors continue to consider it a safe and strategic addition to their portfolios.
In summary, gold remains a timeless investment. Its stability, global demand, and role as a hedge against uncertainty make it a key asset for both seasoned and new investors.
Gold is rising as investors seek safety amid economic uncertainty, low interest rates, and global market volatility. Political developments, trade tensions, and energy price fluctuations are boosting demand worldwide. Gold remains a stable, trusted hedge and a key long